आमी स्वता जावन पंचायत वेंचणूक फुडें धुकलूंक नात. आमी तशें करपाक मात्तूय इत्सा ना अशें पंचायत मंत्री मावेन गुदिनो सांगता. तशेंच तशें करपाक पक्षाक मेकळीक नाशिल्ल्याचें ताणें सांगलें. सर्वोच्च न्यायालयान सांगिल्ल्या प्रमाण ट्रिपल टेस्ट पास करपाच्या नेमाक कोणूच मोडपाक शकना अशें मंत्री सांगता. तशेंच आमी मागास वर्गियांक आरक्षण दिल्या उपरांतूच वेंचणूक लडयतले अशें ताणें सांगलें.
इलेक्शन डिले करूं ना आमकां मातशें पूण इच्छा ना. आमकां कितें फरक पडटा? इज इट ऑन पार्टी लेवल? फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, इट इज ऑन नॉन पार्टिसन इलेक्शन which takes place. Now when central government, Supreme Court of this land says very clearly you have to pass the triple test for reservation for OBC, can we, you and I float that particular direction? And in the same judgment it also says that elections are to be held in time. It is basically that judgment was meant for those particular two states where elections were not held for several years. गोंयान केन्ना अशें जालां 2 वर्सां 3 वर्सां 5 वर्सां इलेक्शन जावंकूच ना. In the same judgment there is a paragraph, एक वाक्य आसा, that in case administrator has to be appointed, elections should be held not later than 6 months from the date of expiry of the term. आता 19 एक्सपायर जाता, तेजो मिनींग कितें? तेजे 6 म्हयन्याच्या आदी तूं इलेक्शन करपा जाय. सो वन सायड वी वील फॉलो द ट्रिपल टेस्ट, अदर सायड reservation will take place, and then we'll have the election within the period of before the period of 6 months. Maybe it will happen after 3 months also.
Mauvin, I think it's a question of semantics here. The Supreme Court is very clear. If you cannot have the triple test, you cannot pass, then hold the constitutional elections have to come first.
No. See, if you are suggesting, as some people have been saying, we are not going to fall in this trap, that don't have reservation for OBC, go have the election. Sorry, it cannot be done. You have to have reservations for OBC, just as you have reservation for ST and SC. This is also a constitutional mandate to have reservation, because to bring those people up. When the reservation will cease, that is much later, several decades later it may happen. So let us not get into those things.